In-Situ repair. I think it's about 5 metres in length, and we're going to do a strip to demonstrate. Of course, this solution works only on ashwell. We don't really know what's under this. It looks like it's an old industrial base, but we'll soon find out. What you'll find with this repair is it's a lot less disruptive than a conventional standard patching, if you will. So when we're traditionally doing this job, we are carrying out with a similar road legal planer, but then we've also got like a hot box on site, we've got a sweeper usually. All of this additional vehicles and plants isn't needed. So you'll find that it's a quick solution for returning our roads using the existing asset. So I want to give another thumbs up to see if we can get going. Yeah, come on Dave, come over to you pal. Give the people what they want. So, continue to work on one of our county council highways contracts. So, it's but that 3 years of the machine, wanting to steal the limelight, if you will. So, work later on, what you want to ensure at the end of this, people are out of it's out of their sort of it, and any new product is always supposed to bring it smart, implement the knowledge. What Deck's going to do is that's then install the machine, which will drive it through plane ahead. That plane is amazing. Set down to all green sets around 40 mil for demonstration purposes. Today have 2 or 3 what we're working to contracts. And once you've done that, you only needs chainway of the attachment, which is a currently pushing mechanism. So this will require the billings and basically create a sound product that we can then recuperate. You'll set the cruise control in the cab to about 1 kilometre enhanced speed, and it's very similar to a standard planer. This perspective, what basically what you need is pushing mechanism. So if you imagine there are 2 drugs in there, one for milling the astral, the one for pushing. They will also, you'll see there is secondly that on skids, the operator can see what the settings are to answers in no problem. This in terms of black box line, this is odd, so I mean it's not you like not this fishing. Extend this. Short time. Short throws. That's really nice. So the cheese hard while increases your long lasting return and the taste of the cheese costs. Love expensive for that short way. We're going to be rolling this out in service. I've spoken to 55 minutes without sports on an existing contract. We will be the team to use the support committee. Well, all our organizations that I want to deliver this with goal to ensure that the defense will report that good works and to a good alive. No, not point of views. You find everyone works with walls, patching, all service work. The typical reason for the whole account is when you have the spread patching work, answering, cancelling the law, and we're probably nice. Once you've awarded last year, one per mile when you take one of the and then it's a book, the Multevo Partnership Award, ex-council, clause, $100 million, having the given wide of the land, fundamental experience, standard hunting techniques. Well, that particular contract would be very good. Some of the council about £1.5 million a year. It makes it impossible to do it by surgery. You cover the point back, all the dollars, and thousands. So we're confident by introducing innovations such as this one, such as other treatments to go in the ornaments. Really in the crucial stage, it's out in experiencing that or the secret sauce. Not there, that place of it is what brings life back to that existing asset. So what you'll find is if there is any voids, because there's some really deep potholes within the patches that we're referring, what we will typically make is adding just road pavers to make the difference. And I asked the guys earlier, how often are you doing that? They said probably about 20 seconds. It's like the extra road pavers in. The beauty about this is not adding any fresh dirt in the asphalt, and of course that means you reduce those costs. You're not having to shift the planings away, which again is an extra cost. Yeah, and it's adding new material in. You take the leadings of what did the wrong. So the second phase will be able to calibrate that is the system is then what depth represent. So it has solid it's following a man's speed that we're not driving at. And there's a traffic light system which is anything operated on the attachment. So that just enables them to know what forward speed to work at. You can't control you can use this or this is with this forward like that. So it's calibrated before it gets dead and it causing it. So you now put down the magazine chip, the leaky slim, with the activators of the nozzles, then the flows, the stuff there. serve to know what order Captain is the volunteers workers coming down with small sort of right. Actually, it's just a conducted a new attack. Right, I was quite really big spirit with them. Seems big. Which is perfect. It's good. For unconventional virtue, this sort of thing is developing with money. I understand. This is everything's shit. More that we see our clients are seeing most in guys the testing thing quite we scored that for the initial promo type phases that they've got repairs that of 2 to 3 outlets always the can't beat without so far is with a two-wheel, it's obviously not a pressure seatbelt, but that each of us reduce it's going to do a binding effect on that two-wheel, and because the ones who've been compacted, like I said, they don't think the alloys are already would because the process takes about a day, possibly 2 days, depending on the temperature to set. But we opened this prepared to traffic to be still because traffic helps with the compaction, if you will. So as I say, that final process was simply mixing the rejuvenated product.